What's going on, everyone? It's Sawa. And look, I know what you're thinking. Another dropshipping video? But trust me on this one, because I'm about to show you how to start with absolutely $0. That's right, no Shopify fees, no ad spend, just pure hustle and smart work to build your business from the ground up. We're talking finding winning products, getting them in front of the right customers, and making those sales, all without spending a dime upfront. Now, I'm not gonna lie, it'll take some serious dedication and effort on your part. But if you're ready to put in the work, this is the most accessible way to kickstart your entrepreneurial journey. Let's dive in. First things first, we gotta find a product that's actually going to sell, right? The key here is choosing a niche. Think of it like this. Instead of trying to sell everything to everyone, you're focusing on a specific group of people with specific interests. Now, there are two main types of niches, trending and evergreen. Trending products are hot right now. Think fidget spinners back in the day, but they can fade out quickly. Evergreen products, on the other hand, are things people always need, like pet supplies, kitchen gadgets, or beauty products. Browse AliExpress's best-selling sections and see what's moving. TikTok is another goldmine. Pay attention to trending products and hashtags. Finally, spy on your competition. Use tools like Sell the Trend or Ecom Hunt to see what's already selling well in your niche. Okay, you've got your winning product. Now you need to find someone to actually make and ship it for you. That's where suppliers come in. And the best part? You don't need to shell out big bucks for a fancy supplier when you're first starting out. AliExpress is your best friend here. Just make sure to look for suppliers with good ratings and fast shipping times. If you want even faster shipping, check out CJ Dropshipping. They're similar to AliExpress, but specialize in dropshipping and often have quicker delivery times, especially to the US. You can also search for USA-based suppliers if you want the absolute fastest shipping times. Now, I know what you're thinking. Don't I need a website like Shopify to start dropshipping? Nope, not necessarily, especially when you're on a $0 budget. Instead of shelling out $39 per month for Shopify, let's get you set up with a completely free online store. Platforms like Big Cartel and Ecwid offer free plans where you can list a limited number of products. Big Cartel lets you list up to 5 products for free, and Ecwid gives you 10 product slots, which is more than enough to get started. If you're a little tech savvy, you can even create a basic website using Google Sites. Alternatively, you can use WooCommerce, which is a free plugin for WordPress, but you'll need to pay for hosting. But hey, you don't even need a website to start dropshipping. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok have built-in shopping features. So you're probably wondering, how do I actually accept payments without paying fees? Well, good news, there are totally free options here too. PayPal is a classic choice for a reason. It's super easy to set up, widely accepted, and they won't charge you any monthly fees. And if you're selling directly through social media platforms like TikTok or Facebook Shops, they handle all the payment processing for you, so you don't have to worry about a thing. Here's where the real hustle comes in, getting those customers without spending a dime on ads. But don't worry, it's totally doable with the right strategies. TikTok is your secret weapon. Create engaging short-form videos showcasing your product in action. Use trending sounds, relevant hashtags, and aim to post 3 to 5 times per day to maximize your reach. Don't underestimate the power of Instagram Reels and Facebook Reels either. Create short, eye-catching product clips and post consistently. Pinterest is another fantastic source of free traffic. Create visually appealing pins that link back to your online store or product listings. And hey, don't forget about the good old internet forums. Find relevant subreddits on Reddit or questions on Quora related to your product. Alright, you've got your first few sales, congrats. Now it's time to fulfill those orders and start scaling your business. In the beginning, you can manually place orders with your AliExpress or CJ Dropshipping suppliers. It might seem tedious, but it allows you to reinvest those profits back into your business. As your sales grow and become more consistent, you can start automating the process. DSS is a great tool for automating AliExpress orders, and AutoDS works seamlessly with CJ Dropshipping. Once you're consistently making sales and have a bit of cash flow, you can start thinking about reinvesting in your brand. And there you have it. A complete blueprint for launching your very own dropshipping business with absolutely $0. Remember, success in dropshipping especially when you're starting with nothing, is all about putting in the work, being resourceful, and never giving up. So what are you waiting for? Take action on what you've learned today and start building your dropshipping empire. Happy dropshipping!